We're at the store.
What's happening?
Look, they ransacked the dog food.
What?
Look at all the cleaning stuff over here.
Yeah. Hi kids, welcome to Noah Tour.
Let's see over here. Is there anything over here?
Yeah.
Some Cascade. Look at all. They're all gone. The world's gone mad. Laundry soap is pretty much gone.
Look at this. This is so.
All this laundry stuff is gone. Let's go see if they have. Let's go see if they have any cleaning products. I need to get.
Oh my god.
I guess this must be where the. I guess this was where the toilet paper's at. Paper towel. No toilet paper. Oh my god. Paper. Hey, there's actually wipe. Is there wipes here? Baby wipes? Nope, just diapers. No toilet paper.
Look at how big the picture of the baby. No, Torville. Subscribe right down below.
Let's see if there's any hand sanitizer. Cold and flu. Oh.
He made me
Cold.
we're in the middle of the nut.
Where's that be? Vitamins. Come here.
Can I get to this system?
Got your vitamins still. Let's see if there's any rubbing alcohol. Cold and flu. First aid. Oh, that's gone. Let's see. Hey, you got Alka-Seltzers.
Mom, do you want to get some Easter stuff?
Look at all the baby wipes and hygienes. They're all gone. Look at all this. This is all this
Hi,
one.
tour reviews.
See? Customers will be limited. Stop.
Hey!
Limited.
I'm trying to do my video.
So, this is fries. There is no sanitizer. Half of the stuff is gone.
No sanitizer at all.
Got soaps, shampoos,
Look at this, Harry.
all the cleaning products, sanitizers, soaps are all gone. Look at this. But since Easter's coming, they're all stocked up on that. Got nothing to wash your hands, but you got a lot of Easter stuff.
Hey, you want to get stuff for Easter?
Easter candy.
Yeah.
Hey, at least they got scrub brushes. Lots and lots of candy. But no personal hygiene. Not good. The world has gone mad. No toilet tissue. Let's see if there's any hand soap over here. Hand soap. Body soap. Down here. Air fresheners. Mops. Cleaners. See if there's any cleaners down here. All the cleaners are pretty much gone.
Everything's gone.
Wow.
Here.
At least they have some milk.
No milk.
Some milk. A lot of it's gone. Look at that. As if the world's gonna run out. It's gonna end. But if you're looking at fries and you want toilet paper, guess what? No toilet paper.
Easter stuff. Trying to come out now.
Oh, but they do have water. No toilet paper.
area.
No
is
tissue.
Like, this is like a gunner area.
No toilet paper.
No.
People are mad.
Yeah. Very.
What's this over here? Baby wipes?
Baby wipes.
Well, at least they got some baby food. Any baby formula? Oil. But as far as baby wipes, there is no baby wipes. A lot of formula's gone too. What a shame.